How's it going, guys? This is Naya from Project Gamma here. Today we're going to be talking about some of our products for the G80 platform. We have a G82 M4 competition here that came here bone stock, and we did our full Project Gamma package on it, which includes our carbon fiber front mount intakes, our carbon fiber strut bars, and our carbon fiber GT3 grills. We also did a downpipe and a mid-pipe install on this vehicle. It's running a West-tuned Stage 2 custom calibration and tune, and the car is now pushing over 700 horsepower compared to 480 stock. All right, now we're gonna go over these products and show you guys an up-close look. First of all, we have our GT3 grills right here. We wanted to get some inspiration from the M4 GT3 car. These grills come in 3 different finishes as well. We have the gloss carbon here. We do have a matte and a forged carbon as well for this one. If you have a radar sensor in the front, we have 2 different versions that allows for the radar sensor to sit there. So these grills completely transform the front end of the vehicle, as you can see. They do complement our intakes very well. You have the filter showing much more behind the grills right there. We do have a badge holder as well to hold your OEM M4 competition or M3 competition badge. All right, so now let's talk about the intakes. So these are the filters that we saw behind the grills. We do have 6 different colors for our filters, and this is the black one right here. We also have silver, blue, red, yellow, and purple. And these are our carbon fiber front mount intakes for the G80 platform. We do have 6 different finishes of carbon fiber for this. Here is the gloss version. We have matte, forged, red, carbon Kevlar, blue, and purple. So this is a 2-piece system which consists of our carbon fiber section and the silicone extensions that run the filters to the front behind the grills. Not only do these intakes make your engine bay look way better, they also help perform your car as well. With the filters sitting behind the grills, your IATs stay as low as possible. They substantially increase the turbo sound of your vehicle. They do make it sound very amazing. You hear the turbos way more and you get those nice swooshes. So our extensions only come in black for the carbon fiber version. We do have silicone versions of these intakes. So both our carbon fiber and our silicone intakes do a very great job at keeping the temperatures low because of the materials. It's very hard for the silicone intakes to get hot compared to, let's say, aluminum intakes, and that's the same with the carbon fiber ones as well, although the silicone ones stay at a much lower temperature. All right, so moving back to the vehicle, let's check out our carbon fiber strut bars. So these are a direct replacement for the OEM ones. We did style it off the OEM strut bars. They're substantially lighter, about 1/3 of the weight of the OEM strut bars. They give you that very good look that you see in the F80 platform with this carbon fiber OEM strut bar. We tried to recreate that look for you. You can take a closer look at them here. So these do come in 6 different finishes as well, just like our intakes. These are the gloss version right here. Very light compared to the OEM ones. They have the billet aluminum sections over here on the middle where the bolts connect to. All right, so moving on to the exhaust system that this vehicle is running here, we have our catless downpipes and our single mid-pipe with a resonator. Let's talk about our catless downpipes here. We do offer ceramic coating for all our downpipes. You can get these ceramic coated if you'd like in our signature bronze color. These are the non-coated versions. Again, so these are catless, so they're gonna help a lot with your exhaust flow. They will substantially improve the sound of the vehicle. So as I mentioned, these are catless, so they're gonna improve the exhaust flow of your vehicle, and they're gonna substantially increase the sound of the vehicle. So you're gonna get those nice pops and bangs, burbles, like the ones you see on Instagram on other cars. All right, moving on, we have our single mid-pipe. This is a 4-piece system. All right, so these mid-pipes go from 2 pipes that are coming down from your downpipes, and it goes into a single section here in the middle. You have a resonator that goes down to 2 again to connect to your muffler. So this is a resonated mid-pipe, so it's not gonna give you that raspy sound that you get from straight single mid-pipes. It's gonna give you that nice tone with the resonator section there. This car is running both of these systems, so we'll hear that later on in this video. All right, we're gonna show you one last thing on this vehicle here. This is the carbon fiber engine cover that we're gonna be selling. This is not our design, but we're gonna be selling it on our website as well, so we're gonna have these up real soon. They do complete that carbon fiber look inside your engine bay with all our other products. All right, now let's go play with it and show you guys what it does and how it sounds. All right, this is with the valves closed, and now we're gonna open the valves. personal car. You can tell the Western sauce there. This thing is like stupid fast.
That all-wheel drive is insane.
Yeah, the all-wheel drive just gets it done. Alright, as you guys saw, we took the car out for a drive. We showed you what it sounded like and how it performs. You can find all these products on our website, shopprojectgamma.com. So a huge amount of this performance, of course, comes from the Westune custom tune and calibration. Go ahead and check them out on Instagram at Westune or Westune HTX, or right here on the screen. They can do remote tunes or tunes in-house. They do dyno services as well, both in Boston and the Houston, Texas area. Alright, so that's all we got for you guys today. We showed you all our G80 parts. We'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what car you want to see next. Yeah, shopprojectgamma.com.